Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in deep cherry red crystal pearl. With low beam daytime running headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, PARKSENSE rear park assist system, LED tail lamps, power 8-way driver seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, 59,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5771A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.